Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui Te Rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Papa Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Koka. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaerehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro tribe. Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Koka.
What a lovely day to play with your ball.
Playing catch with my ball is my favourite thing to do. I like playing catch too.
Be careful with your ball beside the river. You don't want it to go in.
Oh no! I'll get it. Be careful, Ooh. Oh, it's too deep. Ah. Don't worry, Ooh. I will get it. Come in, everyone. Come in and swim with me. Come in, Ooh. The water is nice and cool. Come on. No! I don't like to put my head under the water. It's scary. We will help you, Ooh. Stay right where you are. You're right, Ooh. We must all be careful in the river. When you are safe, the river can be great fun.
How do you think you can help Ooh learn how to swim?
Maybe Papa Rākau can help. He will teach me how to be safe and brave so I can put my head under the water like all of you.
Good idea, Tākaro tribe. Off you all go to see Papa Rākau.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aune.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Papa Rākau.
What have you all been doing today?
We've been swimming at the river. But Ooh is afraid of swimming.
Being afraid is hard. Everyone gets afraid sometimes.
I love the river and I want to put my head under the water, but I am afraid. Everyone else can go under the water, but not me.
Learning to do new things can be hard, but I'm sure you can do it, Ooh. You'll all help Ooh learn to swim, won't you?
Of course we will, Papa Rākau.
Let's ask the forest to help you too.
ask the forest for help. E te wānui e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māputa. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumie, huie, taiki e. It's the letter R.
I'm sure that will be a big help. Off you go, Tākaro tribe.
Bye, Pāparākau. Ka kite. Aha ka mana para kawana pa. E heke mene pere te wanepe. I hiki mini kiri tiwingi fi. Oho ka mana para kawana po. A e I o u. Uhuku muna kiri tuwanafu.
Kia ora, Tākaro tribe.
Kia ora, Koka. Look, Phil is teaching her baby how to dive to catch some food.
Yes, that's it. Ooh, watch Phil and her chick. She will teach you. And always remember to be safe in the river.
I will, Koka, but it still looks scary. Maybe the forest gave us a clue to teach you to swim.
Let's see what clue the forest gave you. Can you read what that says?
R, U, K, U. Ru, ku, ruku.
Well done. Ruku, dive.
I love to ruku, dive into the water. It's the best way to get straight in. Come in, Oo. The water is a bit chilly, but oh, so lovely. See, Oo, you can do it. Yahoo! Come on, Oo. I will hold your hand. Yay! Well done, Oo. And you showed us that you can ruku, dive, just like us. I did it! I can ruku, dive!
Did you all have fun at the river?
We had lots of fun. And I dived into the water. Ruku, dive! We all worked together to teach Oo to swim.
Let's look at some other things that are kikorangi, like the water in the river.
Kikorangi.
Time for you all to visit Koka.
What a busy day you've had, Tākaro tribe. Shall we look at the things you did? Ah and Oo were playing when the ball went into the river. Oo, you were too scared of the water to fetch it. The forest gave you a clue. Ru, ku, ruku, dive. Now you've learnt to swim. How do you all feel now, Tākaro tribe?
Harikwa! Happy!
What a fun day, Tākaro tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Mārie. Good night, Tākaro tribe.
Horoia tō mata, Parai he hia o niho Kuhuna o kakamoe po mari E kuhu ki te moinga Takoto iho ki raro E pai ai o moe moe ia Kia au to moe E pai ai o moe moe ia E pai ai o moe moe ia
Good night!
He mea tautoko nā te māngai.